You don't see her. You know.
What?
Nicky Ba.
You know.
Eh?
Where are you going now? Come.
Nicky Ba, are you not selling shoes?
Come in.
Shoe.
I want you to test it and check the one that's your size.
Which one?
Anyone.
Anyone?
Yes, now. Check it, put your leg around. It will fit you very well.
Yes, now.
There's still some, yes. You can still check it.
This is my size. It size me well.
Anyone is your size.
Eh.
So, which one will you like to carry now?
Is this not the John Foster?
Yes.
The popular John Foster that I used to hear about.
Yes, now. It's a very strong shoe.
Strong shoe. Since 1960.
So this one, you like this one, huh?
Levi, I love this shoe.
Very good.
How much is it now?
Don't worry. It's free.
You salopwa. I could get the fan shoe. I first found one the other day I not see. Today now. You get the go like 5 when they miss. Licky Ba! You salopwa. Where that one go? Who can they carry my Licky Ba?
It's free.
Licky Ba!
They are giving me for free.
Yes,
Licky Ba!
Hello.
Licky! See my shoe!
John Foster.
Give me my shoe! Leave that to me!
I leave it now.
That's now.
You say what? Oh, so now you the thief Licky Ba to thief in papa property. So you are the thief.
No,
Now you the teach how to thief. Ole! Thief! Ole! You wet man who bow. If I born now, I go back born. Licky Ba!
You are embarrassing me now.
You say what?
You are embarrassing me like this.
Oh, wait. Licky Ba! You just salopwa. Show women not the wear. Licky Ba! Jesus is Lord. You pack shoe. My own shoe. You're not selling my shoe.
I'm not selling it. I'm using it to. I'm doing philanthropy.
Hey! You don't even give them out. Give away. For my own shoe.
I'm dashing to people. I'm not using it. You give it to other people.
I'm not using it. Hey,
Jesus is Lord.
You want me the wear to go and see the king. To go and see governor and important personality. Now you carry it, begin to dash people for streets. Hey, Licky Ba. Oh, you get what I do you. Hey, Licky Ba. Did they send you to me to use the BP to kill my enemy? Hey, Licky Ba.
Every time when I want to do something meaningful, every time you just be standing on my way. I'm trying to follow the footstep of my mentor. My mentor is a philanthropist. Oh my God. He's a giver. You understand? They say these days, when you want to tap it all green, no, they say you can no longer tap it all green. You walk it all green. That's why I'm starting like this. So that I walk into the kind of grace that is working for him.
You want to walk into grace? Oh, Sadio, does that mean that this your mentor here? So, actually, now so they thief people since they don't go give people.
My mentor he does not do that. What he does is that he's a giver. He gives what he has.
Oswald, you not ask question. People when they give, how they take get what that they give before they become a philanthropist. How come? What did they do to get there? Hey, sorry, who is this your mentor?
It's because
Call them because this thing why you they do so. I want to they call them anywhere they see you with anything. If since I not fit tame you, now they are going to tame. They report them to everybody. Oja, who is your mentor?
See, God has blessed this my mentor. That's why he's giving to people.
Oh.
So that's why you don't know my. Oh God, why is it that you don't always know important
You know
people?
what I need to
You
tell
don't know
you?
important people. Yes. You don't know Mr. Innocent Ogbidi. The one that has the foundation, Ogbidi Worldwide Foundation.
Oh, wait oh, Innocent.
Yes.
Innocent. AKA Word on Rush.
Yeah, Word on Rush, the giver. Oh.
Where they India?
Yes, now.
Oh, sorrow,
The one that
agony,
touched so many lives.
agony and pain. Oh, so you are not comparing your useless life with someone who does also in life for India.
That is it.
Oh, na so the innocent. Na so the Mr. Innocent Egbudin. Because that's so they like pronouncing name. Mr. Innocent Egbudin. AKA Word on Rush. Na so if they carry the talk to you, see they look inside bag. Na so if they carry people property to go the dash. Someone that is as hardworking as that man, a legit businessman. Likiba,
I'm trying to tap into his grace.
you want to tap. Well done, tap. Borehole. You want to tap. Give me my shoe. Give me my shoe, no. What? Open the bag. Open now. Hell. I know he go just wake up. He go say, this my papa, one wicked. I said they put them for inside. Put them. Put them. Carry on. Go.
Want to do something meaningful.
Oswald, you didn't say you should start with your own. Then after, if na your suit, you go give people. If na your own pass slipper, you give to people. A philanthropist act is about what you have to give people, not stealing other people's own. You cannot rob Peter to pay Paul. Because that's what you want to be doing now. All the fake life, you have to give it away. So that they go to hear you. Philanthropists. If I put like, I carry everything. I'll illustrate to us. Thank God said, I'm near house, I will catch you. No, go back, bon.
Jesus is Lord.
Something meaningful.
Something meaningful. This your life get meaning.
So Jude, see when I'm telling you something, every time you be arguing. This is not, it's not something you argue about. When you are saying truth, you don't like truth. Right, you don't like truth. See, Obi Kubana money is too long. Obi Kubana has more money than Kubana chief priest. How you be saying that Kubana? Who is Kubana chief priest? Where Obi Kubana is? When Obi Kubana is throwing money, can Kubana chief priest be there?
You are just talking without fact. You don't even have any fact. That's what you are just saying. You see, I saw with my eye this morning. This morning, what I've seen with my eye alone. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey, people have money in this life.
See,
Kubana chief priest, that boy have money. See, someone will just stay and be stoning people bundle in their face. Stoning people bundle. People inside swimming pool. He sprayed them money inside swimming pool. You have money.
That's where you are getting wrong. Whatever Kubana chief priest is doing today is Obi Kubana that taught him. It's Obi Kubana. Obi Kubana does not steal people money. He helps people with money. He helps people with money. Do you know is that guy? How I have so much money? Do you know what some of our politicians? When they want to go to party, you know they went to go and meet Obi Kubana. Just for endorsement. Because if Obi Kubana put small thing, if you press small thing on your career will have gator. Your career will have gator. Do you know what you are saying? I don't understand you. See, let me tell you something.
Jude!
Eh?
Hey, Jude! Baby! Juju!
Eh?
Coco!
IT baby.
Baby!
Eh?
Na Coco!
It's on.
Oh! See, I say you see all those makeup made those bed they do for you. See, I don't do one.
Eh now?
Check on us.
Say you're fine.
I think I go run now. Let me
Yes,
run now.
ma.
Let me again. Let me the IT baby.
Say you're fine.
I don't run now. See,
You're
ma,
looking
see the
sweet.
That place. What they call? They call that. Oh, Mia na. Oba that place.
Oba in the east, in Anambra.
More they go.
Go and do what? We're not going anywhere.
Don't package now.
No. You want them to go intimidate me? It's people that have money. No, baby, it's
Woman will go.
I cannot shout for you.
Why this one they not dead?
Jude,
Why they not dead?
Jude, see, you know that I don't like talking people relationship. Because people relationship does not concern me. You understand? But let me tell you something. I don't know. Oh God. Jesus Christ. Where did you see this girl?
I don't understand. Why are you asking me?
So you have this girl have the effrontery to say that you want to go to Oba where men are spending money.
What they talk?
This is my baby, my new.
Get her! What's wrong with you? Why are you saying this is my baby, your new what? Who is this one? This one that look like Don Baby. This one that look like somebody now. Don't go there, Sister Ramatu.
Did they forget? They call me auntie baby.
That's why you are not adding. You are local Beyonce.
Let me get out.
Nikki, but I don't like this thing you're doing. No. You don't come and
No,
come
no,
and
no,
be.
puff, wait.
Baby, wait, let me handle this. Baby, wait, let me handle this.
Let me get out.
Baby, wait, let me handle this. You
Let
don't
me
come.
baby.
Baby, calm down.
Let me the rotting.
Baby, calm down. Let me handle this. I'm the man. Let me handle it.
Go on, talk.
Likiba, I don't like this thing you're doing. Likiba, if not that you are my friend, my friend, what I would have done to you this afternoon? This is how you drag Tiwa with me. I left Tiwa for you. You drag Cardi B. I went abroad to go and carry Cardi B. You drag Cardi B. I left Cardi B for you. Now I found love with my IT baby girl. You want to come and start insulting her now?
Juicy.
It's love.
Let me tell you something. If it is Sister Ramatu that you carry, I will not have problem with you. I will not have any problem with you. No, this upper Beyonce. You know upper? This upper Beyonce.
I did things for the happen. When I do things where you did, I still did things for the happen. Upper, I did the pepper. I did things for the happen now. Now me be upper babe. If I come and everybody they sit down. Boys they fall because I come here. They not dead. They not dead for me.
So you went to go and carry local champion.
It's not local champion. It's opposite first bar. I saw her.
Oh, you saw opposite first bar.
I love at first sight.
God forbid. This one can never be opposite. God, I reject first bar. I reject good thing from your life. How can you see somebody like this opposite first bar? How did you find your way? This one is Oka Market girl.
What?
Oka Market. You know all those girls I used to say are going to Oka Market. This is there. Oh, this one that look like somebody. This fella abuse her to it.
Likiba, see. That is the height. Likiba, I will not have you insult the love of my life. Baby, calm down. Baby, calm down. Baby, don't. Likiba, I don't like this thing you're doing. No. I don't like this thing you're doing at all. Likiba, apologize.
Apologize to who?
To my baby.
Apologize to who?
To my IT baby girl.
To your who?
My IT baby girl.
I greet you.
I want to go against
Baby,
them.
now.
Industrial training.
Me, I do makeup for you, finish, Abi. Me makeup, I say so that I do makeup for you, so that we'll go, you day, Abi. Don't worry. When I name she, if I say you buy me popcorn, so you dey do one. That's me back popcorn, you do one because this team at here, you dey do one, Abi.
Baby,
no,
baby, it's popcorn, not popcorn.
Popcorn. Okay, no worry. Later you come do book.
Babe, see, Likiba, this one used to do. This one used to do now. Say that you made my baby angry now.
I said to you, is that girl that will kill you? If this local Beyonce, this upper Beyonce girl doesn't care, you will die.
Likiba.
Is this girl that bet it now? Is this girl that will kill you? This one that look like rejected Cardi B. This one, you don't want to go and carry this one. You will not see something to carry. You go and carry somebody that is even learning from Sister Ramatu.
Likiba, I'm in real love. This is real love.
Is love.
Don't be saying what you do because you have love. It's not because Osato left you. You don't have to discourage me from my relationship.
So
Likiba, leave me alone.
The only thing I tell you now is because you see knocking now. He's knocking because she's giving you to do. Because she's giving you to do. I'm sorry for you. This one with you see. Do you know that opposition that used to say it is a pitiable pisma. It is regrettably lupubious that a girl local rejected Cardi B like this you will fall in love with. I'm gone.
Likiba, go away. I don't give a damn what you think. Nonsense.
You know, Sika?
Likiba.
See, there's one song that is raining now that I'm hearing everywhere. The song is a banger.
What song is that one again?
It's not the band that sang the song, but the song is a banger.
And I've not heard it.
They used to sing the song like this. In the rain, in the moon, in the sun, in the doom, in the zoom, in the woom, in the I'm coming. I'm not that.
I saw someone standing up
I hear me.
where they coming to they are going to.
The song is a banger. The song I'll be hearing about the song.
So people can come in the moon, in the sun, in the rain, in the roof. They are coming to where?
I don't know where they are coming to, but I know that you used to say, I'm coming.
Likiba, why you doing your waist like this and saying, I'm coming? What does this waist mean that you are moving?
That's the way they used to do it now. They always say, in the zoom, in the zoom.
This song is a bad song.
It's not a bad song. It's you that.
It's a bad song.
My guys.
See Daddy Jedin.
My guys.
Daddy Jedin, see your gadgets.
My guys.
Hey,
Wait.
Daddy JD, you are looking nice, though.
I forget that thing. Una just dey enjoy here now.
Is this one enjoyment?
Now you are the one that is enjoying.
Is this one enjoyment?
My brother na God.
That's
na
why I
God.
just eating this mineral.
Where have you been, huh?
My guy gist full ground, man. I no dey around since now. I no dey even know. I travel now.
Hey.
Where did you go to, Daddy JD?
Guys, man, they just call me come presidency for advice.
Daddy JD is suffering now.
Why you dey hold my hand? Guy,
You want to
which kind-
finish
You want
this
to
thing?
finish it,
Keep
you
out, wetin
take-
dey worry
Is it
this
here
guy?
you want to eat your lunch? You
I like
eat it
to
gently now.
I like to eat.
What? You have been eating it, we'll be taking one so
We're
that you
taking
will
it
reach
small,
us.
small. Just
So that
take
you will
it
reach
small,
us.
small.
Na my humility dey do me all these things. I dey tell you say I dey come from presidency. Just chin now, you no let me chop.
Daddy, it's not like that now. It's not like that. You use your conscience too, so that this one will go around.
So what did you go and advise the president about?
The matter, you get contract wey dem order for me to build bridge. So they don approve am.
That's a nice one, though.
Brother, na so na. So
Bridge
abeg,
where?
I dey come.
Daddy JD now. I said, you are eating this thing. This is affecting me. This is how you finish the natural resources of this country. Need to give you allowance.
Well, guy, see for presidency, things dey happen now.
Eh?
When Buhari see me, first thing fell look say, several address room. I just look at guy for the other thing. You believe say Buhari carry me enter him room? Carry me enter him room now.
You mean his main room?
My guy, if you see Baba pint,
What? That's of your pants.
where he dey hang pants for inside that room alone, they dey pack pants go side like curtain.
Jesus is Lord.
I don't really know. My guy, Baba just dash me some kind of those old native wey get body odor. I no collect chow. Wey dey carry me go the Abuja and contract and I successfully get am.
Eh?
Yes now, before you know now, the reason I wan buy Benz next week.
Benz.
Yes now.
Daddy JD.
My
You
guy,
guys will come and eat Indomie here with us.
my guy, na so God take dey change person
Your
life.
story have changed, oh.
All this one na story. If I dey tell una that time things wey I dey do, una no dey believe me now.
Wait, you mean you want to buy Benzema?
I don already order for am.
Hey!
Don't go there.
So for this Abuja you went to now?
Mm.
Manisha, it's because
Daddy JD eat chin chin.
To be mumu.
You don't want to buy Benz.
it's
Jesus
because
is
Don
Lord.
Jazzy have no
Come.
pick up
Because
my-
I no dey talk all this kind of rubbish now. I no dey like am.
Tell him. She used to tell him he will be shouting Don
Who you dey
Jazzy
mention?
back.
Don Jazzy.
Don Jazzy.
Don Jazzy wey we dey share the same boxer before.
To be mumu.
Okoko Michael. No go there o.
You mean Don Jazzy?
Aba. Make I call am.
You mean Don Babaji?
Make I call am.
Maybe Don Jazzy.
No.
Make I call am.
He will be busy in the studio now. Don't call him.
Don Jazzy go see my call, he no go pick. Wetin you think say follow you sit down here?
What?
You are blow.
This kind nonsense be all
You be
this.
mumu.
How una look me because I come follow una because I humble. Na humble make me follow una too sit down here now. Which kind talk be
You
that
are
one?
blow.
I dey tell you, make anybody wey you dey reason, if na Buhari, if na Don Jazzy, all those people dem know me.
Wow.
And you understand?
But at least you say but my problem now is this, Baba Yedin. Normally, you know all the motivational speaker,
Mm.
like all the motivational.
No, no, do small.
Daddy JD. If you finally blow, Daddy JD, you will get a carton of coke in my ass.
Like Honorable Madiba now. All the motivational speaker they used to say when you work with five rich friends, you become the sixth one.
And now,
So now how come you know Buhari and Don Jazzy all this while and you are still like this?
My-
and it's telling
like what?
this thing with us. You know Don Jazzy is already up there.
Up where?
Don Jazzy is up there.
Well,
And
how una dey reason all these people? Don Jazzy up where? Because of Instagram. You don go in house. Na rent dey stay.
Don Jazzy stay rent. Living fake life.
Wey come reach there here say him gas finish. I mean send am card make him sell wey take go fill gas.
Yes, Jazzy! You have been lying this. I've been absorbing your lie. You have been absorbing like that Don Jazzy, you.
Wetin dey worry una?
Likiba, why you shouting at Daddy JD now?
No,
This guy we blow now and have money.
Una
He
know
will
ya-
forget us.
Una know when I say I get contract for Abuja.
Okay, fine. Call Don Jazzy. Call him. Since Don Jazzy will see your call, and he say he will pick. Call him.
You talk something, you say, in the middle of five
Rich friends.
Take the fifth one and go still reach. If me dey among two mumu, wetin go happen?
They never show you say you be mumu.
No, na make you fit talk am now. You dey tell make I call Don Jazzy.
Call Don Jazzy. You have been saying that you know Don Jazzy. Buhari gave you contract. Okay, you call Don Jazzy. I'm not saying you should call the president now because he has the full nation in his palm to run. Okay, you call Don Jazzy. At least Don Jazzy don't know how many things to do. Call him now. Shebi you say you want to call him just now.
You just be like you dey tell person make him call him boy.
Hey! I hear me.
This man.
Nikita, you will not understand all these things.
Na him
These
dey
are big men used to do. They know when they used to call you.
You know what I need to tell you?
As they follow and sit down here. How many people dey follow Likiba relate? But
only
because
me
of
now.
my humility, I bring myself down. They tell me make I call Don Jazzy. Which kind see finish be all that one?
It's not any see finish, Oga. It's not any see finish. This is not see finish. You should be able to back what you are saying. You are a liar from the pit of hell. What kind of rubbish is that you are humble? Do you are humble? You are humble and you want to finish our teaching.
Nikita, stop insulting
Jesus
Baba
is
Jay-Z like this
Lord.
now.
No try stop. I'm not insulting him. How can he be lying? You be lying to mature human being like us. Is it because of what?
Wait, let me tell you something. See, my life, people they try to behave like me.
What?
I bring myself low to dwell among people that don't matter. Who know you? Who know Likiba? I dealt with president last week Wednesday. As I dey now, Don Jazzy if he call me, I no go pick him call. I dey tell you these things, you dey talk say I dey lie. You know why? Because small minds cannot think. Una mind too small. It will say your mind dey open. You for know say man, all these things why I dey tell you no be lie. Why I owe power bank?
Why?
Anybody fit call me. Anybody fit call me.
Sense inside this thing you are saying. No.
See, I don't blame him. It's you I blame. Because you cannot fathom hard when somebody is trying to use you.
Daddy JD, go ahead.
You are being Buhari. Look at the way you are eating this chichi.
No, leave Daddy JD.
I think your life depends on it.
Leave Daddy JD to eat. If you want to drink coke, then you can drink coke.
Drink your coke, not my coke.
Daddy, because it will soon blow now. I can buy Benz. I don't need to see me on the road and pass me.
Jude, listen to me now.
Okay, yeah.
I give you my word.
You be mumu.
I dey get you Benz next week.
Jesus is Lord.
Only you will be checking around this food beneath. Only you will be checking.
Okay.
Since you guys go to know big people.
You be mumu.
Good, Jude. Man, maybe you buy Benz next week.
Eh.
If I did not see Benz with you next week, I will naked and swear for you.
But I don't give a damn about your swear.
You that want to buy Benz, you that want to buy somebody Benz, do you have golf? Do you have keke napep? Do you have motorcycle that you want to buy Jude Benz? No problem.
Jude, I have something to say.
Okay.
And after I talk this thing, I go come up for you. Because I know if they make this kind guy, they name me vex.
Don't mind liquor.
You see ingredients so they say make this coke. Now
Coke.
my trade secret. Now me.
Jesus is Lord.
You lie too much. You are a liar from the pit of hell. Your lie no ban. Your lie does not ban Joya. Come and believe it.
Why are you chasing Daddy JD like that now?
Please, come and be going.
Wow.
So Daddy JD come that.
Oh, you see your poverty-stricken mentality fail. You see a carry chichi. So that be with Buhari, that's why you have the recipe secret for coke. Is the one fighting for chichi.
But I don't like how you so do.
Seriously.
See, you even if you know that it's like, must you be start acting like that? I don't have work.
Oh, you know it's that.
How will you?
You know what I need to tell you?
Buhari sir, you saw his pint. Do you and Don Jazzy are friends?
Oh, this guy can lie.
Daddy JD mad.
They never show you say you be mumu.
That is you are a god. In short, you have been empowered to lie in life.
The wicked liar.
The wicked liar.
He used to manufacture lies. Say he was just lying all the lie from his mouth.
But you are a bad somebody. You now make me look like bad somebody. You make me look like bad somebody. I'm the one that not believe what you say. Get out from here.
Don't be.
If you see your biological mother beating the woman that gave birth to you because of your parents, what will you do?
What?
What kind of? See, sometimes I look at her, I wonder how you ask questions. What kind of useless questions is that one? See, let me tell you something. They cannot try.
Hey!
You hear me now? They cannot try because if they try, they will know the kind of parent I am. See, if my biological mother is beating my mother because of my parents, it means my biological mother is not all right upstairs.
To be mumu.
You understand what I'm saying? It means it's not all right upstairs. You know why? Because he cannot dare and beat my biological mother. You understand? No matter what my parents will do. You understand? My biological mother cannot be beating my mother. See.
It's like you don't, you didn't hear me well.
Yeah.
Should I break it down?
Break it down.
Okay.
What?
If you see your biological mother, don't you know the meaning of biological mother beating the woman that gave birth to you because of your parents? What will you do?
That's what I'm saying. That my biological mother cannot be beating the woman that gave birth to me. Because the woman that gave birth to me carried me for 9 months. You understand? When my biological mother was there doing biology, I don't know the rubbish thing he was doing in biology. You understand? Part of all the biology he did, he don't do anything. Then you now come out because you are my biological mother. You want to now give birth, your body be the one that gave birth to me. You are not right. If I will take him. You understand? I will give him dirty blow. You understand? So for no reason they should not try. Jude, ask Jude. He will tell you anything.
Okay.
For what?
Over to you. If you see...
No need to repeat the question.
What?
My biological mother, my real biological mother, will now come and start beating the woman that gave birth to me. The real woman that gave birth to me. Because of what now? See, you can't know they play. Oh. How you beat mama will born me?
Did you understand the question?
I understand the question. You just come and beat the woman that gave birth. What did I do? What did I do? For what now? You don't come say because you are my biological mother.
Jesus is Lord.
Take note of that word, biological mother.
Biological
Not
mother.
even the woman that gave birth to me, self.
Hey!
What do you understand? Your own word, like what do you understand?
It doesn't matter. The understanding doesn't matter. What matter is there's
the woman that gave birth. See my biological mother here. See the woman that gave birth to me here. See my parents here. So you that is not here, you want to come and beat who is here?
For what?
I don't work now.
You know it's because of the woman that gave birth to me that they used to sing, sweet mother, I know they forget you. For this of our you suffer for me. Then you now come and beat sweet mother. You beat sweet mother. You that is biological mother. Sweet mother, you want to beat sweet mother. You are not serious.
I'm not ready yet.
Hey!
If I beat you and you go and look for another biological baby. You cannot be my biological mother.
Oh, Robbie, let's go.
Let's go.
Judo sticker.
Give me chair. What are you doing?
Try and sit down. You see this I'm doing? You know the last time he said that business I want to do is not favorable. You understand now? Now I said, let me try a new business. Now I want to be doing more power. You don't know. You know, it's a very creative and lucrative business.
Jesus.
More power, I want to be selling it to boys.
You be mumu.
You understand now? This I'm doing now, I call it the ultimate womb shifter.
Jesus is Lord.
You see now? The rightful name is Gaga Kwan Gaga.
You know what I need to tell you? You be
If
mumu.
I sell it to boys, see 30 minutes before the girl arrive, just take it. You will finish work.
What?
You will finish work.
You be mumu.
Oh God. See, the way the girl, you know that Naira Marley song? You know that Naira Marley song? That's what the girl be giving you. I'm coming.
How many times did
coming.
they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? This one.
This root. You use it to root things.
Oh my
I want
days,
to be
you
selling
know
to boys.
more
Now that's what I want to be doing.
Likiba, are you done?
Yes, now.
Likiba.
What?
Help. So this is what you want to use your time to be doing. It's not only womb shifter. It's destiny changer now. It's destiny changer.
That's a very good name. Destiny changer. Ultimate womb shifter. Ogbele, small money.
Likiba, how did I even know you, sef? How did I even know you? So you want to be among the people that are killing our youth in this country, abi?
How will I be killing you? This one is helping you. Is helping you to perform your manly duty. Which one is killing this one?
Helping who? Helping who?
He's helping boys. You know all those boys that you call Indomie boys. Hey! You know those boys they call Indomie boys. Plantain cheese boys. Those boys that come 2 seconds everywhere. Don't boss. They gone. Those ones are the ones that I want to be giving this thing.
Likiba. Oh God. Oh. Likiba. You don't know that when boys start taking this thing now, they will become terrorists in everywhere. That's how you start hearing that in Abuja, somebody died there. In Sokoto, somebody died there. You start hearing in Benin that they start killing people up and down.
How does this one connect to killing people? His boy Osama bin Laden is late. There is no terrorists anywhere. Which one is terrorist?
It's not terrorists with bullets now. It's terrorists with this thing now. You want them to start doing Pakang Pokon to death.
I don't understand. I still don't understand what you are saying.
They will not do Pakang Pokon and die on top.
I don't know what Pakang Pokon, whatever you explain it well. But what me I know that this one is a very lucrative and creative business.
There's nothing lucrative about it. What you are saying is that you want to be aiding and abetting the death of our youth.
Death of youth.
Because once boys start taking all this thing and they will start looking for what to kill. They will start looking for people's daughter to kill. They will not be able to concentrate on anything again. They will not be able to think straight. Everything they will be thinking about now is who to destroy. Walking about to and fro, looking for what to destroy.
See, let me tell you something you don't know. This root is meant to root things. You understand? It is meant to root things. To take away shame and reproach from manhood. You understand? So that's why you are saying this one. It's meant for them to be an active service.
Jesus is
active
Lord.
Service to their wife. Active service to their girlfriend.
You know what I need to tell you?
Active service to, when they are performing, that's why I call it, the Ganga Kwan Gaga.
They never show you
Active
service.
service. You are saying active service. You've not heard of people that die during active service. You've not heard of that one.
How can somebody die during active service?
You don't know. There's how you will serve. You will serve and serve. You will die on top. You will die during service. Likiba. That is this now. That's what you want to be happening, Abi. That's what you want to happen. You want to be killing people up and down. Don't worry. Go ahead. Go ahead now. Be killing them.
Well, why is it that every time you come, you discourage me of a new business? I have a business idea that will move. You know this route. The recipe for this is my father that gave it to me. My father taught me the recipe for this route. And he said no woman can ever put you to shame because of this route.
Have your father tried it?
Yes, now. That's all you think they make him audio ways for nothing. It's because he's a man of fire. You know that? When my father was in army, he used to fire anyhow. Yes, now. So I don't understand which one you just say, people will be dying. Which one, what will not keep people in this small
Me, I've said my own. I've already told you. If you sell it to these boys that first of all, they don't have work. They will not start taking this thing that will put them in active service every day and night, active service. What are they servicing? What are they servicing? Instead of them to think about how to go and look for work, they will not to thinking of who to go and service. Are they mechanic? They want to be servicing up and down. What do not spoil? They want to be servicing. Look, if I've told you what I want to tell you. I've told you. This business will not work on the boys. It will not work for boys.
If it is so, what I will do is this. I'll sell it to girls. I'll not sell it to boys again. And since I said it is not good for boys, let me be selling to girls. So that they will be strong.
Sell it to girls. What's my business now? It's even good like that. Sir.
What?
Let them.
Do you see you now? You are a very evil somebody. What you don't want me to sell to boys, you want me to sell it to girls. It's even like the problem of this country. People like you. So I should sell it to girls. It's girls that is good to die in active service. Boys cannot die in active service.
You don't know those girls. They have strong stamina. Yeah, some girls have like 10,500 horsepower.
Get that in! I'm not saying, get that in! Very wicked somebody. That's who you are. That's a useless stamina they have. Come on, get out of here. I don't even know what I asked for your opinion. Get that in! I like the way I'm living now. Now go use your gege, go taste where my reggae now. Oh, I like the way I'm living now. If there's see when they go see, no, no. Not gonna use your again. Somebody get your rules now. And anyway, I'm living now. You got something. Judo, Sika.
What's the occasion, Likiba?
See, dude, you can see I'm counting money, right?
You are not counting money, you are counting 5 naira. 5 naira is not recognized in this country.
It's not federal government that is making 5 naira. Look at you. See, I want to go and shut down now with this money. Look at you.
You want to shut down where?
I want to go and shut down Germany.
Likiba, you are going abroad.
I'm going to Germany now. Germany is not abroad. Germany is after Gombe. When I just enter Germany, like I was shouting, Likiba billion, Likiba bang, Likiba way. Hey God, on a putu, no pay, Odogun one.
Let me hear what which nonsense are you telling me like this now? You are going to Germany after Gombe. Which Germany is after Gombe? After Gombe, is it not Nasarawa? You are going to Germany. Did they tell you Germany is in Nigeria? You are going to Germany with 5 naira to go and shut down. You can imagine you.
If Germany is abroad, you see another shutdown. If when I enter abroad like this, oh my God, they are going to change my name. You know, they will not be happy me with correct English. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Likiba Billion, Likiba Bang Bang, Likiba Way, go, honey, man.
If anybody help you, let me know why. They will help you. You low budget Obi Kubana. With your 5 naira way, shut down. You even have you shut down this street before? You want to go and shut down abroad in Germany?
See, later, if you know what I'm going to do in Germany, you will know. See, I'm going to shut down one of my guys' sister's birthday. I'm going to shut down a birthday like this. A birthday like today, I'm going to shut it down. That's why I'm getting ready to move now. You understand?
Which guy is that one?
My friend now, Daniel now. Her sister is doing birthday today. He now contacted me. He said, Likiba Billions, I want you to come and shut down the birthday. That's what I'm doing. That's why I'm getting ready like this. To go and shut down the birthday.
She go and shut down birthday with 5 naira. And Likiba, no problem, Sha. So far, if you reach there, after you spray your 5 naira, you pick 1,000. And when you come back, you give my share. So that me and you will not have issue. Now.
Me and you not have what?
So that we will not have issue.
Get out of here!
I've told you my own.
Get out from here!
See, I've told you my own.
Get out of here! I ain't the one that will give me issue. Junosika.
Likiba.
Dude, are you with me?
I'm with you now.
If you can guess the person that sang this song, I'll know you are current.
Which song is that one?
If you can guess it, I'll know that.
You know, see, you know me, I don't listen to any other kind of song. I only listen to a song that is dope. Song that makes sense, mature song. I don't listen to any other song.
Guess who sang this song? Do 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 do.
What kind of song is that one?
Oh God! You don't know who sang that song?
The kind of song you used to, I mean the way you used to sing the song, I don't know. I don't know.
Look at you see, it's the correct do 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 do.
That sound is sounding familiar.
You don't know sang the song.
That song is sounding familiar.
Hey.
Who sang that song?
See.
Don't try me now if I'm not getting
it. The title of the song, Sangazin.
I know that song. Is it that song? I know that song.
You know what I need
Sangazin. See, if you hear the rhythm of the song, oh my God.
See, the way this country is going now, the kind of song they are releasing these days, I don't understand. I really do not understand.
What do you not understand about that?
That song is so sweet.
It's so sweet.
It's not making me think that this country is sweet.
And the country is sweet. But nevertheless, see, when you know that song is produced by Don Baba J.
It's Don Baba J. He's the only one that can do that type of thing. But see my worry. The way he's going, the way he's putting things in that small boy head, that boy that sang that song, he should not go and spoil that boy for us. He will just be putting mature things inside that small boy head.
No, he's not the one.
Things from mature mind.
What?
No, he's not the one that will put in his mature mind that is chasing the boy.
Mature mind is chasing the boy.
Yes, now that's why he come out with those kind of creativity. You understand? You understand? The way he used to do something. See, that song. So it came from two Greek words. The title of the song
Really?
Yes, now.
Which?
Sun and Gazin. You not join together to be Sun Gazin.
Oh, sense.
Nobody would have said Sangalo. Sangalo. Sangalo, but no.
Sangalo no work. Sangalo is not sweet now.
You understand? You don't know it's Sangalo. So that's why when it started with a cool way.
Yeah,
No.
no. But no work.
See, when I was listening to the song, my body was doing me. My body was doing me one kind. I was getting in the mood. Yeah, I was.
Say that song, it will put the full Nigeria in the mood. I swear to God. That song is so sweet now.
No, it's too.
So sweet. That boy no work. That boy no book. That boy no book.
But nevertheless, I think the way it's going on, the way the man is doing on, they will start beefing him.
They will beef him. Let them beef him. I don't care. I don't care.
But I don't care about the beefing.
Yeah.
But where I will have problem with Rema,
Yeah.
where I will have problem with Rema, is when they start having baby like mama like the rest.
If you have baby mama now, if you have baby mama, you cannot run from it. It's title.
No, it cannot
It's
be.
street. It's for street cred. If you don't have baby mama, you cannot talk in public now. You must have at least 5 baby mama for them to recognize you in public. You don't know.
Yeah.
You know who started it now?
Who?
Our Big Daddy.
Who is Big Daddy?
You don't know Big Daddy?
Don Jazzy.
Don Jazzy. No. Two now.
Oh, two baba.
Daddy two. You must have, for them to know you in public, you must have at least like 5.
No wonder Davido has so much authority.
Davido is just starting now. Davido has not even gotten there yet. So we're still expecting like 5 more from Davido for us to recognize him.
So he wants him to expand the Adele.
It's a record to beat. Two Baba set the record, but that record that has been long. So we need people to come and beat that record.
You know what I need to tell
Baby
you?
mama will relegate their career.
Eh.
Yeah, look, where is Nyanya now?
She what?
It's not this thing. He wasted his thing on waste. He wasted his full career on top waste. That is why.
No,
That's what wasted his career. Your
All
waste.
I want is your waste.
How will you have a career and you waste it on top waste?
Hey, you know after I wasted that career, now I have to go and sing one song. Pour water for my head. Oh.
Yeah, the hot now. Whether you waste or waste, your head will hot. It will burn his motherboard. And see, this Rema song, you know what? I just think they will use it for Nigeria version of 50 Shades of Grey.
She what?
50 Shades of Grey.
And
Which one is 50 Shades of Grey?
you don't know 50 Shades of Grey?
Oh, that American movie.
They will use it for that film. You know the people that used to have that film?
Who?
Ramsey Noah and Genevieve.
No, they
That
cannot
movie
You
use.
know
Say.
what I need to tell
No,
you?
those people are old tell they cannot use Maslow and Genevieve. They need to use something like Whiskey and Tiwa Savage.
She what?
Which whiskey cannot do that combination is wrong now. Whiskey does not have what it takes to hold Tiwa Savage down.
Look at you, what are you saying? Do you know what Whiskey have been doing in Tiwa? The way Whiskey have been working inside Tiwa.
When you say walk inside Tiwa, I don't understand.
Look at you see, Whiskey have officially break Tiwa side mirror.
You know what I need to tell you?
Look at you, don't know. He even used Tiwa that time, he even used for song because he was steadily breaking his side mirror. Do you know Whiskey?
Whiskey does not what it takes. See, Whiskey will pull hand and move hand. He will pull hand and move hand. He don't have what it takes to pull hand and stay there.
See? That's why I said he doesn't want to stay there. That's why he's constantly breaking that side mirror.
She what?
Because he doesn't want to stay there. He has other young fresh blood to refresh.
So
you understand?
you will just break a side mirror and go, come back and break it. You will not take it to a mechanic, fix the side mirror. You will not come back and break the side mirror
it was
again.
because of the way Whiskey was breaking Tiwa side mirror that she was now waiting to Tiwa to talk to Tiwa Savage. Anyhow.
You see finish now?
It's not for see finish.
It's not see finish. What concerns Sheish and Tiwa Savage before now?
Well, sir, I will not rest because I know my time is coming. I will go to Tiwa.
This is
Oh,
this
what?
is what you always do. You did it before. I warned you before, and I said you should never repeat it again. You want to start repeating it again now, and it will cause quarrel between me and you.
Which one is quarrel again?
Remove your hand from Tiwa.
You know what I need to tell you?
Remove your eye and your mentality from Tiwa.
Baba, let me
If
tell
this
you.
friendship will last, stay away from my business.
Hey, look at you. Get out of this.
She what?
If the friendship has been existing, what have I gained? What have I gained in the friendship? That you're asking me if the friendship will last. For Tiwa, if the friendship will break, let it break.
You know what I need to tell you?
Oh, you don't have men now. We shall see. We shall see. If you enter TY, I will go abroad. I will go and carry Cardi B. Hey! To hell with you and Nigeria. I don't give a damn.
Oh, yo. I wonder where this sticky bag go. You know they even they stay house again. It's okay. Now you know. Ojikan win mu beran. I know who aye. Full of 40, full forever. Oh man, full of 40, say full forever. See you next baby, oh, see you. I will just put on here. A time have come. A time have come, man. Baby. It's you next baby, oh, see you.
Hello.
Likiba.
Hello.
Go help me with this thing, Daddy.
What is this?
See you next baby, oh, see you.
So, Daddy, you want to put this place for rent?
Where you go since? Huh?
Hey, I said let me check the area now. Let me just see what's in the area, you know. Let me look at the area and inspect it.
Oh, based on the inspector general when they make you for this community, Oswald. You go don't carry your two leg. Hoopia. They say they give you a ambassadorship to this community. Oh, who make you an ambassador of this community? Hey, Likiba.
I'm just.
No go stay one place. They waka up pra. Oswald, I been dey find you since. You see 3-bedroom flat to rent. And na that other flat when I did there.
Okay.
I don't decide say I go put them for rent. So you know say this compound now is too empty. We need humans. So I don't put on 3-bedroom. As it's 3-bedroom, I want people to come and rent. I know they find who they stay alone. Yes. So me they come out for house. I'm leaving the house now. So you go stay. Anybody that come, tell them I'm not around, but you are my son. Understand? You are my son. You are representing. As a matter of fact, you are agent. You know, see all those people now. A landlord go be landlord, the pikin go be agent. Even so nowadays, now landlord is a landlord and is also an agent. You know, say for this country, you can't survive with one work. You have to miss it. And so once they come here, you are the agent. Now the fee for this 3-bedroom is 300,000 naira. And 300 is 3-bedroom. Where for the water day. Uparo light day. Damani said the NEPA not they bring up
300. Oh. So they will not pay me I will not be the one to collect the agent fee now.
Exactly. Agent fee. I would almost forget say agent they get fee. So the agent fee is 10% of the actual fee. That's 300,000. So Likiba, what's 10% of 300,000?
That will be 3,000. 3,000 naira. That's the agent fee.
You said what?
It's mathematical calculation.
Oh, 10% of 300,000. Oh, that's 300. Oh.
Hey, now 300. You know, when it's 10%, you remove all the 000. Now remember, the 3 is the percentage. That's 3,000.
Only 3,000. Oh, Oswald. If I not ask you now, so you go collect 3,000. Oswald. 10% of 300,000. Only 30,000. Oswald.
30,000.
Anya.
The percentage is big, oh. It's very big.
You do calculation now. I beg go make you know the in fact. I write account number for table.
Okay.
Let them say I go see the alert. make them send in case anybody come. It's cash and carry.
That's for those that are doing transfer.
Those are doing transfer.
What about those that have POS? How am I going to do it?
Those are happy. Oswald.
It's alright.
It's cash or transfer, and that transfer not until they show you their app, answer app, because some of them they flash them. They flash you now. You just say, well, at midday now you cannot pay. You cannot flash to pay your rent, and then you come back enter. And one more thing, I don't need single people. Someone that is staying alone.
No want somebody that is staying alone.
I don't want to they stay alone. You interview them. Because I don't want to give my ass to thief. You understand? You interview them. I don't want someone that is staying alone. If na family person, maybe in a couple, 2 person, or maybe even in single, maybe say person they follow and stay. Na 3 bedroom, 2 to 3 persons are okay.
At least they should not stay alone. At least somebody should be staying with them.
Then interview them. I want to know what they are doing for a living.
Don't worry, I'm in charge. I will questionnaire them.
You questionnaire them.
Ask them questions.
Also, mukbe questionnaire. You might not know percentage. I bet sister also before you carry your 2 left leg, they go. Yeah. You go lock gates. Once they come, you are agent for today.
The percentage I used to go and buy new gadgets.
Get that. Oh yeah, you go buy new gadgets.
I used to buy new gadgets. I'm saying one now.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Please, I saw the ad outside concerning the 3-bedroom apartment.
You saw the what?
The ad. You wrote 3-bedroom available to rent here. So I want to ask if it's still available, please.
You know, I know right. It's 3-bedroom flat to rent. Which one is now you saw ad. Anyway, you want to rent the 3-bedroom?
Yes, that's what I just said.
Okay. I'm the agent in charge. You understand now? It's leaking back billions. I know you are meeting me.
Is the house still available, please?
I never want to introduction. Okay, the house is available. The house is very intact. It's 3-bedroom, well furnished, and it has hotel standard. You understand now? So, but the thing is that before you come in, we used to ask both some certain questions. Like, I will need to interview you to know your kind of personality. You understand now?
How does questions have to do with renting an apartment?
What's the meaning of that? What are you rude? I said I will ask you some certain questions. I say out of asking you question involved. If you don't want to rent that, you get out of here. Get out.
All right, let's hear it. Let's see.
Good. So what's your name?
My name is King David.
What? Look at this one. King David ni. It's not only King David, you are Davido. You are saying King. Okay, what's your name? You have a kingdom and I put king to your name. No, small big name, I kiss small dog. What's your name?
My name is King David. That's my name.
What's your surname?
King.
King. Okay, your father is king, you are David.
Yes.
If your father is king, you should be prince. This boy are fun and the way you are wearing black, they are looking at you. We cannot give you house to rent. Are you? What do you do for a living?
I'm a web developer, for God's sake.
What's that?
It creates websites and hosts and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, Yahoo boy. So is it that they used to help in the club? 1 for the DJ, 1 for the help man, 2 for a table.
How does this have to do with renting an apartment, for God's sake?
It has to do with everything that has to do with you. Because we need to know we cannot give us to criminal. You understand? That's why I'm asking this question. Is the lay down rule from the Ojowe, the landlord of this place, the Ojowe of this community. So I need to be knowing some specific things about you. Because this one you are grab anyhow now. By the time we are asking for rent, we cannot beat you. You understand? So that's why. So you are a web developer, you are a Yahoo boy. Okay, Yahoo boy. Good. So do you live alone?
I live alone, of course.
You live alone? You live alone?
Yes.
We are not looking for people that live alone. That's why I ask you, do you live alone? My father said, How then they live alone? At least we are looking for manpower, human beings to stay here. That's what I'm saying. Do you live alone? Or is there other people that will live? Okay, fine. Other people can live with you, but you live alone.
Definitely.
Good.
Ah, God.
Good. So that. Okay. The house is 300,000 for rent. That's a year. And you pay agent fee because as the sole agent Likiba that is in charge of this place, you have to pay agent fee.
I don't have issues with the rent. Can I see what I even want to pay for?
You want to see what you pay for?
Yes, now.
Now you have not paid, say you want to see what you pay for. You say you want to see what you are paying for. You don't know anything. I told that I want you to do your own thing.
I want to see what I'm paying for.
Is that flat? Go and check it.
I can go alone.
Don't stress it. You don't have to get out from this place. Check it. If anything lost because you look like a criminal, if anything lost, I will suspect you. You can go. Come again. Oh, where are you from, sir? You just pass. You not ask questions as you are going. Did you put your head there that I can't going to see?
Why are you just shouting now this early morning? Is that how you shout at people?
I shout for the people for a living. What's wrong with you? You have courtesy. You enter compound and you are going there. What are you looking for?
I saw the house to rent now, so I want to go and...
So you saw house to rent. In your mind, you know that this agent that is sitting here that you should ask
will say that. Is that why you're shouting? You will say I'm the agent. How will I know you are the agent?
I don't think you can rent house. You have to go.
I saw the advertisement.
What's your name?
To check the house.
What's your name?
My name is Osas.
Osas. Osas what?
Osas Egwasa.
Good. Osas. So, what's your occupation?
I do suya.
What?
I do suya.
You are a liar from the pit of hell. People does not do suya. It's only all these people that specialize in doing suya. All these outside people, Aboki people, all these man that used to do suya. Which day do you start doing suya?
Are you the one doing my work for me? I say I do suya.
You do suya?
Yes.
You do? Okay, it's alright. Suya man. Okay, you want to rent the apartment?
Yes, I want to rent the house. I need.
No need to ask me to stay alone. The house is 300,000.
Okay.
And my agent fee, as the agent of this house, that's 330,000.
Money is not the problem. Money is not the problem.
It's not that actually money is not the problem. Now, to when they are asking for house rent, you not be saying, you not be dodging, you be hiding. Midnight, you come here and go out. You understand?
If I tell you money is not the problem, believe me. Money is not the problem.
No, does not have money. Okay. So if you are ready to pay now, I will give you the account details.
Okay, forward me the account details.
It's not forward me the account details. Go and check it. Go and collect the account. If you like it, so you send your money. Yes, we have money. No, we don't have money.
Wow. Maybe I go just quiet for this time. I like the way when everybody say they go walk. You. Yo saluba me. Yo. Why you keep back off? Why you remove the yo saluba and you just see fling the gate open? Likiba. Yo saluba. Likiba. Okay, I be that shit come off for Likiba.
Dario.
Oh, why you remove the flat to rent one Abuja and you fling the gate open? What did they do you?
Harry, you are back. Welcome.
Okay, you are back. Welcome. Where the flat to rent when me put for there? Huh?
Harry, I remove it.
You have removed it?
Yes, I remove it because the flat is sold out already.
You said what?
I heard the flat is sold out. They have carried it. Have you not been receiving alert since?
Alert?
Yes, no.
My phone, I leave her for her. I leave her for her. They don't carry her.
That's why I was thinking you are receiving a lot. Bing, 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 bing.
I better help me bring my phone. Bring my phone. They on top of he. A lot. Yo, nah. 5 minutes. Now it doesn't. How many minutes me that take come out since?
You don't know the agent that is in charge. If you know the agent that is in charge, you know the kind of better.
Yo, Saloba, man.
I'll be singing this now. Oh my head on for you. Oh my head.
I will look at my weight now. This one, if I say the person is sent on 3 times now, oh, sorrow, see now. See, he sent on 3 times. Only 300, another 300, only 900. Nah. 30,000. You just
See,
almost 1 million.
it's my initiative. It's creativity.
You say what?
It's creativity. And they call it. Alright, okay, drop it now. They drop it.
From 300 to 900,000.
Yes, no, I don't need that. My percentage I'm used to buy gadgets. You think it was honorary percentage?
How you don't do one?
That is creativity now.
In fact, now that they believe so, use your creativity. You go come teach me.
Yes,
no. Wait, oh, that's almost $1 million naira.
Yes, no.
And maybe just they come for set. The way one tell they come for set, and so body they pepper me. He they pepper me because engineer he say material don't finish and we never pay him for the last work. No, this one don't come. I don't need to enter us again. Sorry, hope you interview the person.
Yeah, no, I asked him, you say no, he said no.
Okay.
He said you don't want
to. He said they work.
No. Yeah, he said
if the job is genuine.
Yeah, a job is.
He said he.
He's a he.
Hi. You question her well.
Yeah, no.
They say not be ritualist because for 100,000.
No, it's not a ritual. He has legit job.
He have legit job.
He has money.
Exactly.
He was like, I like the place now. It's a very strategic environment.
I know. Yes, they position. Erosion not they disturb us now. Good ass. We not do they give wahala even self. They come. Wait to go up. I want to go back to engineer. I'm not sure whether I go down quicker. Come on, let me run. Now don't go give them the money. When they continue job, you understand? Your whole percentage in your way. I go withdraw. We use that one soft.
I enjoy.
Enjoy. Go your. So I go back gate to not the leave I open no. Go your. No my dear. My day I break. Engine. I be now just call am now call engineer.
You dey craze? I follow you talk, you don't do anyhow.
Get out here!
You get out here!
See, let me tell you something. If you don't want to enter the house that you rent, you understand? You go. Hey, you raising your voice? Look at you raising your voice.
You dey shout for me.
See, if you don't want to enter the house that you rent, you go. You leave this place.
Oh, no be your fault at all. And they look you so I don't see suya. Yes, I usually do suya this afternoon. You dey try me. Try me. I usually do suya.
Get on it! You cannot do anything. What's wrong with this one? Are you trying? You are threatening me. You using this thing. It's not this thing. Skill the shit that you do. That you do. What's wrong with this one? What's wrong with this one, sir?
I'll burn this house.
Which house?
You dey try me.
Is there any time that you would burn? Is there any time that you bring down? Who are you?
Who is this one? Who be this one when they burn us? Anna here.
Adio.
Anna here. Wetin happen?
Who is this man?
Wetin happen?
Who are these people?
Who is this man?
You say what? You want make I give you back and now me you dey carry fruit dey show who be all those ones.
Who is this man now? Now you and me when I come here. Who is this man right now?
Are you a stupid somebody? You went do it like who put bounce indomie for head? Now my house una for dey do. Who is this one? Who gba o? Take it back. Who are this riffraff? Who is this house man?
Don't mind it.
I don't be answer na Billy boy be o.
Sorry o. You say what?
My name na Osas.
Now you dey I be like who dey cut the tongue in the match.
Don't mind it.
But that's not the problem. Who are they?
Don't mind it. Is it not the people that came to rent us? For them to move into the house now and go and be doing what they want to do. They are here, they are causing trouble. With people.
Sorry, what I not now begin tenants.
Yes, sir.
How come? What come to happen?
I came here Air Force and I paid this guy 300,000 naira plus agency fee 330. Oh. Give me key na make I enter house. He start to the yarn doors. Wetin dey happen?
I give the key make the enter
We
now.
no be them. I came alone. I paid fully. You know see my transfer. I sent the money. Come be your SARS.
Oh,
I paid fully for this apartment.
oh, sorry, oh, no
I
person.
don't wash house now. What I pay for? You tell me say.
Oga, give me key. I don't even
Hey,
know what
calm me down. Well, Lade, oh, sorry, oh. You mean two of you are not together?
No.
How? I don't know this man. I don't know this
My name
man.
na SARS.
That is it. It's very easy. You know before you learn, say, and you look for someone that's not staying alone. That was the criteria. Someone that's not staying alone. I asked, are you staying alone? He said, he's staying alone. The Lord said, okay, fine. Let me use my initiative to merge them together. So they will stay in peace and harmony. You understand? And they are here now for them to be living in peace as one. They are making noise.
You say what? You mean you made two strangers to stay together? Hey, Licky back by my side mirror. Licky back I broke my side mirror.
I'm about to lose my.
I will burn this house.
Hey, keep quiet now, go pass. Oh, Licky back. When I say alone, I mean someone that at least you have family members. Now you go carry to Anahina. Who be that again? Who be this one? Dio.
Where is this one? Where is this one going on?
Hey, come back here. Wait on. What on now? Hey, who be this one?
Hey, give me my key. Give me my key.
Is that what?
Can you imagine?
Tell me we are talking about something serious. I think I should give you the weekend.
So we be three reserve.
No, sorry. Licky back.
Daddy,
Who be this one? One be like open up for head.
that the thing is this. You know, it is 3-bedroom. You know it's this. You know it's very easy.
Okay.
It's 3-bedroom. This one will be 1 bedroom. This one will be in the other bedroom. This one will be. I was even thinking of putting somebody in the parlor because the parlor is too big for 3 of them. You understand that to be 4. So that you can manage the whole place very well.
I'm losing my patience.
Oh, sorry, Licky back. I said someone that is not living alone. That is a relative now, a married couple. Now you call individually. You are collected.
See. I don't have time for all this drama. You and this old man. I don't understand what you guys are doing.
Hey, I dey come, Licky back.
Oh God.
Now let the shake.
I just dey look.
When you not give me my money and blood is not, I'm not staying in the house again.
Just wait, my brother. You see, I have business with you. I don't know this old man from anywhere before. Sure, you understand me? And if you don't want me to involve the police, old man, if you don't want me to involve the EFCC, refund me my complete money now.
Oh, you want to call police?
Yes.
I beg, now go be the solution.
I know they call police, so I want to go sharpen my dad and come back.
You got
If you
sharpen
not
am.
give me my money for year.
My brother, sharpen
now.
am. And it's my
Hey,
children.
God. This is a joke. God, you think that's a joke?
Give me my money.
Come, you and this old
Stay in
man.
this house anymore.
You are fraud. All of you, you are fraud. Yes.
Fraud.
Yes, you are a scammer, old man. And you, this guy.
Licky back.
Adio.
You dey hear that? They say me, Ojowe, scammer. Oh, Licky back. It don't do me. They chook out for my eye. Say whether I go see water. Oh, Licky back not see water in my eye anymore. In our blood they come out now. Licky back offend you. Oh, me offend you, Licky back. You carry one apartment. You gave it to 3 individuals that don't know each other. Because I say I don't need to stay alone. If someone had to be staying with the person, I went
Old man, bring money, come out. And you people should pay us and let us go. Tell me I want to go now.
you want your pay?
Yes.
Okay. I want to explain this thing. I saw the alert. I saw a total of 990,000. Close to $1 million naira. Oh, you keep not tell me say na 3 people. Okay, write a banner. You want refund that be?
Yes.
Refund.
You too, your refund.
Complete.
How much is your money?
330,000 naira.
You uncle
330,000 naira.
and you.
I got the money to that.
Now the money be that. You see all this money so. My children are now site engineer.
If I talk now, what's it called? Who be science engineer?
See, engineer have used it to buy cement. My other site, see, they are using it to buy things to build. See,
How that one take affect me
I dey
now?
come.
How is that my concern?
I dey come see. that suggestion no. Maybe we should just wait now. Make they just build that one finish. Then you na fit come rent.
Wait, what nonsense? Mr. Man, give me my money. Okay, what now?
Wait now. See, if you come back two of us together here, say you turn us upside down, you shake us 1 naira, shishi, you will not go.
Mr. Man, I give money.